Saturday morning, 5:30, cold, damp. That must be one thing. Boot sale time again. Saturday morning. Last week we done all right. Got quite a few trainers. What else did we get? Fake trainers. That was the other one, which have been sold. So thanks to that viewer. Appreciate that. This Saturday one was actually my favourite for a while last year. If you watch back from last year's videos, I was picking up loads of stuff, really cool stuff. But yeah, still picking up stuff last week. Constant profit, but not a standout. So we'll see how we get on today. I'm nice and early today. Should get in before they even open. They open at 6, but the seller's already set up. So as soon as they're open, sellers have got stuff on their stalls and it's ready to be picked. So that's why I need to be in there as soon as it opens, really. Unlike Wednesday one, Wednesday they open at 6 for buyers and sellers. So as I get in there at 6, they're still setting up and things. So I'm less likely to miss out on things. So you know the score by now. I've got a GoPro. I hold it to my backpack. Come with me. Come see my point of view. See awkward negotiations. See if I miss anything or if I put stuff down. Yeah, let me know down below if I do miss anything. Let's hit the road now. Got a nice white hot chocolate today to warm me up. And then we'll get in there and like usual, I'll show you at the end what I did get, if I get anything, what I bought it for, what I'm going to plan to sell it for. Repeat the cycle. Buy, sell, repeat. Let's go. Come on. It's only giving him a £20 note for a 50p entrance fee. Got deals waiting for me out there. Come on. Wait. Oh, there you go. Cheers, thanks there. How much on these ones?
Those ones 40. Okay.
Hello, George again.
You right?
Take that, darling.
Can I see the biker suit? Is that biker suit there?
Yeah. We'll come round.
Yeah, it's alright, I'll come round, yeah.
Yeah, well, it's that street, I think. £20 a set.
Okay.
£3.
Thank you.
£3 as well. £2? How much are they?
£2 a pair.
How much on the bike?
That bike there, fella, the Mongoose, right?
Sorry.
30 quid.
30.
I was asking 40, but I've dropped it down to 30 quickly.
Alright.
How much for this?
£5. Any interest in the bike?
I'll think about it. bit rusty.
Thank you.
How much on your shoes?
10. Five for this.
Okay, so
Alright, so I could take a bit less for this. Take £4 for this. And they're nice, lovely leather, you know.
yeah, it felt nice and soft.
Yeah.
7 for them?
No, not really.
No?
No, it's a couple £100 for a pair of chainies now.
Yeah, not cheap, are they?
No, I used to buy them for 120 in the 90s.
Really?
When I worked in
Yeah.
London.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take them. That's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, it's a great shoe, you know.
There's 10. Thank you. Cheers.
Lovely, thank you.
Oh, bless you. How much on?
No, 5.
5, yeah. That's 5 there. Thank you. Cheers. Do 5 for that one.
No.
7.
No, it's got to be 10.
Got to.
Oh, it's £9. There you go.
9.
To these, mate.
No.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. How much was that one?
£5.
5. £3? 3?
Sorry?
£3?
No, 4.
4? Yeah.
You're only going to sell it to me anyway.
So when you're on there tomorrow, give me a call. Be about tomorrow, definitely.
If you've got anything like the old computer things or like on Wi-Fi stuff, keep it on the car.
Thank you.
See
Cheers.
such as young man.
So for a long time, it looked like I was going to pick up 1 or 2 items, but luckily we got 5 in the end after this boot sale. So obviously not a lot, but what I did get, yeah, it's quite good, quite happy. Ideally, I would want a bit more than just 5 pickups, but what I did get with the profit I'm potentially going to make, it was worth the effort, worth getting up and things. So this was the first pickup of the day, which took quite a while. We've got a pair of JVC SPE5s, I think that says. Pair of speakers, vintage retro, black ash, like finish woods. I think these were £8, were they? This should be easily 35-40 at least. Obviously, just test them out. Should be simple enough. Attach them up. play a bit of music on, hopefully they're all good, and that's a nice steady profit to start the day with. These are probably pick up of the day quite easily actually. Pair of Chini shoes, here we go, expensive when new. I think these are a size 12 they're saying there, so a nice big size, really good brand, quality shoes. Paid £10 and these should be anywhere from £60 to £80 upwards. Really nice pair to pick up. Quality always sells, so these should have no problem selling. So really happy to find those sitting on the table. We've got 3 electronics today, and because there's not many pickups to show you, I've actually managed to plug them in. We'll come to this radio first. This is a Pure Elan 2. I think that's how you say it. Elan. Pure radio, always good if you find Pure radios, especially DAB ones. Plugged it in, seems to be working okay. The only thing with being in a metal container, within a metal warehouse, obviously when I'm trying to tune in the radio, it doesn't pick up many stations, but as long as it does pick up something, obviously play some volume, then it's all good. That was £4, should be easily at least 25-30, hopefully pushing a bit more. Hopefully more £35. And last two, we got some projectors. I think that's from the same store. Got this UMIG. This was £5, this one. They did come with boxes as well, which is quite handy. They look very dusty. Well, they don't look it, they are dusty and things. So I was sort of picking them up knowing that the belts will probably not be working. And with this UMIG, if I turn it on, as you can see, you can hear it going away, but nothing's working. Like this isn't spinning, and the bulb's gone as well. So if I am to get this working, obviously got to get a new bulb. I think I got a couple of spare ones, so that's handy. And then the band or the belt shouldn't be too much, maximum like £4 or £5 on eBay. I think I've got a similar one I was testing the other day, this model. So yeah, really nice. Again, a nice brand to look out for projectors and things, or vintage electronics. UMIG. Made in Australia, tends to be nice and sturdy. Just a shame the belt's gone. But even if I can't get it working at all, I could sell the main unit for parts or spares repairs or for props or whatever. And these power adapters, these ones here, I've been selling these for £15 plus postage on their own. So that's why I was willing to take a £5 punt on this one. So I knew even if this was completely knackered, I can at least sell this power adapter for £15. So yeah, worth the risk on that one. But it seems to be working on the inside. Just nothing spinning. So hopefully just a bulb and belt job. And this one we've got Hanimex 808D movie projector. This was £9. Saved the pound with this one. And this one does work forwards. So we're spinning here. And if we reverse, and we're reversing, so that's looking good. And then the light, there we go, I'll show you there, so it's looking good. And then we've got the speed as well. And if I did notice when testing this one, it only seems to spin when it's on the fastest mode. So if I slow it down a bit, this will stop spinning. Now there you go, it's starting to struggle now, where it shouldn't be struggling. It should still be going round. Oh no, it's not doing too bad. How about reversing? So that's on full speed. And then if we turn it down a bit, struggling a little bit, so maybe, so it's working. It's just not working as smoothly as I'd like, I think. Yeah, seems to be working. Might just open it up, see what condition the belt is in, because they can erode, they can get sticky and things. It might have relaxed a bit over time. So a nice new tighter belt will get that spinning properly, and even on low speed it will still move smoothly. What do I say? £9. These are fully working. We're going for £60-70. So again, worth the punt. £90. So worth the punt. £9. This is just a standard power lead, like kettle lead. So this was more of a risk. I was hoping it was going to be working, or I can get it working. But from 9 to 60-70, if I can get it working, yeah, worth the punt. Seems to be working. Just I have to investigate a little bit more, hopefully get working a bit better, a bit more smoother. So there we go, worth getting up this morning. 5 items, one of them needs a bit of work, the other one I'll look into it a bit more, but hopefully the speakers are working, really good shoes and quality radio. So yeah, not bad overall. And from my last video, following on, I sold 2 things on Facebook within the same morning. And this year I'm all about diversing, spreading my eggs in more baskets, not just relying on eBay so heavily. So last video, I sold 2 things on Facebook. Today, I sold 2 things on Depop, yet another platform I'm trying out this year. And first item going out, these Nikes. Here we go, these are like the grey and orange tick Nikes. You would have seen them last week on the boot sale video. Can't remember without looking what I would have paid for these, but these would have, I think these were like £8 ones, maybe 12, 10, around that area. And on Depop they've gone for 40. Depop is a flat 10%. I'm also on Depop payments, so I've saved on the PayPal processing fee, but I think Depop take a small fee for the payment process anyway. Sort of £8 to £12 without looking up what I paid for them, into 40 on Depop as well, flat 10%. Handy to have another platform to bring in some more money, which is good. Then the second sale, again on Depop, we've got this Lee denim jacket, sort of late 90s, early 2000s. Yeah, just denim jacket made by Lee. Was listed on eBay for about $18 to $19.99. This one on Depop for $16.99. I run a little discount. Someone bought it sort of within an hour of me selling them trainers as well. So yet again, this is plus postage as well. So yet again, another 2 sales that eBay didn't get me. So if I wasn't trying Depop, if I wasn't trying Facebook, that's now 4 sales in 2 days that I may not have had, or I've had to have waited a bit longer to get. So yeah, definitely try out different platforms. Don't just rely on 1 or 2 platforms even. I'm on like 4. eBay, Depop, Amazon, Facebook I'm trying out as well. Then obviously there's Instagram if you have a bit of a following. There's YouTube I could do. So yeah, if you're going to do one thing or want to change one thing this year, then just try out different selling platforms. And I'm pretty sure there's more on the way. Selling secondhand is definitely getting more popular. So yeah, definitely give it a go. Right, that's me done. I'm absolutely starving. I'm gasping for a tea. We go to boot sale. Hope you've done really well. And tomorrow is Sunday, main boot sale day, and I've got 3 to go to. And I will be filming my regular one, the car park boot sale, and then my late riser. Best get selling this stuff, eh? Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.